Thank you very much, sir. So I'm really delighted. I never expected that, so that I'll be facing this very August, so the gathering and this such an honor, so that has been actually accorded to me. I don't know whether I'm actually the suitable for that or not. Nevertheless, so I'm really delighted, so that to be here and to meet you all. See, when these people said that, so we will meet and we'll have some interaction, then I thought that, so that I don't have to prepare anything. So I'm a typical teacher, so that when there is a class, so that normally we schedule, so what to be taught, how much time, etc. But this is unexpected, spontaneous, whatever comes, so that my mind, I will try to share. And if you convert this, so into interaction, that will be much better. As been told that, so that I am a ground engineer, means, so the geotechnical, geological, seismic foundations. This is the broad area of my research and teaching activities, spread more than, so 45 years. Yeah. Chenab is, so the Chenab is a river. आप लोग को तो पता है, लेकिन so the Chenab, Himalaya से आता है and it comes down and then further, so it goes to the Pakistan. And उसके ऊपर, so we have एक बड़ा डैम है and डैम का कंडीशन, so ये लगाया था पुराना our forefathers. Only 20% of पानी it will be used by the India, and then the rest should actually go to the Pakistan. So that means, जो reservoir create किया था, वो reservoir, so the पूरा मिट्टी से भर गया because all the gates are closed. Because India is, so they're not supposed to use, so the 80% of the water. So 20%, so उनको देना है. So thereby least maintenance, so that happened. Runoff the type, so the scenario create हुआ. Now of course, so the India is stopped even at 20% as well, because of the tussle between the two countries. So, and when they start actually the excavating it, so the reservoir, because the 80% to recover it and use it, say for the India, and we have a difficulty because for the last 60-70 years, so the use नहीं किया, पूरा मत जमा हो गया, and because of that, so वो पत्थर बन गया. Meaning your reservoir is actually become the solid rock, and then thereby there is no way you will be able to make it, so it is like constructing, say a fresh dam. So or otherwise, so live with that 20% of water that may be there, so on the top also. So this is a Chenab is a bridge, so that is it. But पूरा scheme क्या है? The Kashmir is getting connected, so to the mainland of India. So like you have Udhampur is there, Jammu to Udhampur, up to Udhampur, so the railway lines are there, trains can go. But beyond Udhampur, so only the route is, so the highway, so called. All the transport, all the apples and other products, so the back and forth, so that comes through this road project only, the highway project only. And highway is always, so they're having a lot of problems. Ramban, so the place, आप लोग सुना होगा, a lot of landslides will be there. जगह पे, so the landslides, so the अचानक हो जाता है, so thereby completely the traffic, so the standard. So that is one of the reasons, so the why the J&K people, so totally cut off, from the mainland. I was just, mentioning from the childhood we know it, so the water, what is like, so the travel of the train, train में बैठ के जाना है different, and we
ट्रू इंडिया के लिए जोधपुर से मैं रंजन दैया। ट्रू इंडिया की टीम आज ऐसे शख्स से आपको रूबरू कराना चाहती है जिन्होंने एक ऐसे अनप्रेडिक्टेबल चैलेंज को पूरा किया है जो कि नरेंद्र मोदी का विजन भी बोल सकते हैं आप उसको, चिनाब रिवर। जो उनके जो डायरेक्टर जो हैं, जिन्होंने इंजीनियर जो है KS राव सर, वो हमारे साथ में। सर बताइए क्या चैलेंजेस रहे सर इसको?
तो ये ब्रिज बहुत ऊंचा का ब्रिज है, लाइक 359 meters, so the world's highest bridge, and length of the bridge deck is, so the more than so the 1.315 kilometers high, and since it is being it was done, so in the Himalayas, uh, a lot of challenges to do the planning, investigation, construction. In all these issues, so it is different than, so the what normally we do it, so in the plain areas. So a lot of challenges are there, and so many thousands of engineers, so they worked day and night, say for the last 20 years or so, and then they achieved, so this particular, say the project. This is Chenab Bridge is one component, but say the whole track is, say the 272 kilometers. So in this, so there are several bridges and several tunnels, so they have been done, and the tunneling is also a great challenge in these areas. But the Indian engineers, so along with the world famous, so the specialists, so they all contributed, so to achieve this particular goal, and it is going to be definitely the game changer for the country in terms of, so the high level technology that is used, so to achieve this. So henceforth, say this type of projects, so that definitely will come in Indian scenario. Thank you.